Hello guys. Now today we're now I'm going to teach you how to get a texture pack or resource pack. Well, the first step is go to Google and you're going to search resource packs. Now that is the first step, right? Resource packs. And click the first in the like this. I'm gonna search it resource pack. Oh, why did I search resource? It's resource. Why? I'm so terrible at I'm, I'm so terrible at writing. Okay. Resource. Ah, source. That resource packs. Packs. What is this? No, without the S. And press. What is this? Just press. Not the first one. Not the first one. Press Minecraft 6. I'm gonna and go to app data and go to Minecraft. Go to your resource packs, and this is my mod. But let's download some others. Just refresh this. We don't need this anymore. Go away. Yes. Why does it take so long? Well, by the way, if you're done picking your resource packs, just you know what wait I say. Just go to your app data and go to that Minecraft and you see this. If you don't have resource pack folders, just make one. You know how to make like this new folder. And you go to resource packs, and the one you choose resource packs, you drag it into here. And if that is done, go to your Minecraft. I'll just wait a little bit. Now I'm gonna put my freaking crazy name. Nah, see, I'm too terrible at typing. Crazy. Boo. And when you choose a texture pack, whatever, like 1.11, 1.10, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, whatever, but choose the right texture pack. Like when you have 1.11, then download a 1.11 texture pack or resource packs. And let's just wait so that my Minecraft will play. Why does it take too long? I just stretched like air. Why does it take so long? By the way, my English is too bad. Okay, that is just a short notice. Please be fast. Be fast. Please be fast. Please be fast. Please be fast. Ah. Please, Minecraft. I'm gonna destroy your. What's this? Let's reset that. My Minecraft is too freaking bad. Let's restart it. Please. Please. Oh, please be fast on me. Please. Please. Please, Minecraft. Please. 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 Yes. It's fast. It's fast. It's fast. Thank you, Puss in Boots. Puss in Boots. Boom. Now my screen. Now, if you're, cause this is my texture pack, go to your resource packs, and the one you chose, that check the texture pack, it will show right here, and you just click it or drag on it. Just press the arrow like this. Boom. And I'll be going back. It's just lag a little. See, my Minecraft is back. And when you go back, resource packs, my screen is too big. Now go to that, go. And just wait a little bit. There we go. Now it's done. And go to single player if that is work. Let's just go to my new world. That is a testing, okay? That is a testing, okay? That is a testing. Now, okay? This is my world. This is my world, okay? This is my world. I've got a lot more song. Kill the house. And there you got it. There you got it. There you got it. There you got it. And please please, if you enjoyed the video, hope you please press the like button and please subscribe for more like this tutorial. And if you want some more tutorials, just go to the comment section below and just type anything you want. I've just make it. Okay?